Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set content restrictions on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to enable parental controls on this TV, and to enable parental controls, navigate to the gear icon to open settings on your device, then go to either account and profile settings or preferences, and then select parental controls on the list, enable them, and enter your PIN code. Now, in order to apply content restrictions, we have to go into both or either Prime Video ratings and broadcast ratings. In Prime Video ratings, we can select which ratings we want to lock and which ones we want to unlock. In broadcast settings, ratings, we have to select the ages which are appropriate and which are for which the broadcasts are appropriate and for which ones are not. So if you want to block or lock the broadcasts for ages broadcasts appropriate, if you want to add broadcasts for ages 13 or older, just click on DVB 13, and this way you will lock the broadcasts that are meant to be shown for people aged 13 or older. And basically this way you can enable any option, any that you need, or you can select DVB 18 if you want to unlock, if you want to unrestrict all kinds of content on your TV. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.